Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm on board the 2020 Bennington 21SLX. This boat has the ocean blue panel color and the new silver Simtax upholstery. Come on aboard and take a better look with me. I absolutely love this new interior on the 2020 Bennington SLX series. It is the new silver Simtax upholstery with the graphite carbon accent and the ocean blue accent stripe as well. Check out the new center console for 2020 on our S-Series line of boats. It's got the throttle binnacle located right alongside the driver for a very comfortable seating position. It's got the Garmin Striker 4 flush mounted right into the dash next to your multi-function gauge, and your Kicker Bluetooth radio right there with easy access for the driver as well. Bennington's come loaded with standard features like the cockpit table, a 10-foot long bimini top, and a full mooring cover as well. And then we got a couple extras on this boat, like the 115 horsepower Yamaha engine and ski tow bar and lifting strakes on the two pontoons that this boat has. Come on and see us today. We've got a lot of Benningtons in stock. And of course, no matter the weather, you can come inside our huge climate controlled showroom. Again, my name is Scott Holmes at MarineMax in Greenville. You can call us at 864-236-9005.